All right, y'all. So I'm down here at Topsail Beach, North Carolina. As you can see, I got a popping cork. Been throwing a casting net, catching live mullet. I got 25-pound fluorocarbon leader on here. I'm about to walk down to the 5 pylons that's in the water. Some of them you can't see. It used to be an old bridge, but while I've been down here, I've been throwing a metal 1 ounce and 2 ounce lure and catching bluefish. I know there's more fish down here besides that, so I figured I'd come down here with a live mullet on this popping cork and see what I can catch. It's a bit of a walk from where the beach access is across the road from the house. But I am almost there. Hard part is trying to get my mullet to stay alive while I walk this far down the beach. But he's super fresh. Gotta feel I'm gonna hook up to something pretty good before I stop fishing today and head back to the house, back to reality. It's been a good, much needed family vacation before the kids go back to school. About 100 yards left to go. And I have mullet, not mullet, but drum swimming right here in front of me. And fish is on. Fish is on, baby. Fish is on. Fish is on. Red drum. It's a whole school of them. Got some shoulders to him, folks. exciting, baby.
Heck yeah! That's awesome. Look at that.
Man, it was about 20 of them.
Look at that.
It was about a school of 20 of them. They were swimming right through here.
Wow.
Can I take a picture of that?
Sure.
That's so cool.
So are you catching any sharks or not?
Oh my
Yes, sir.
gosh. That's so cool.
Wow. That's awesome.
Now I don't want to go back in there.
No, this won't do anything to you. He doesn't have teeth.
Oh wow, I can't believe that was in that water.
Oh yeah, it was a whole group of them. My goal was to walk. You see where you see those pilings?
Uh-huh.
There's usually a lot of fish around those pilings. So I was going to walk to the pilings, but I got to go get my pliers to get this out of it.
That's huge. That's amazing.
Thanks. Toad, baby.